I want to make a box out of existing wood slabs in my shop. For the two sides of the box, I would like to use live edge walnut. The color and the organic shape of sapwood of the live edge piece can make this box quite interesting. For the body of the box, I want to use some decorative strips to pop up from the walnut slab. So I chose maple and zebrawood. As the whole box body has continuous grain from the lid to front, bottom, and the back piece, the grain of zebrawood can help to highlight this feature. This is the original design idea of this box. Later on, I want to add something new to this box, so the idea of a leather strip came to my mind. The leather strip can help to lock the box, so the lid won't open incidentally when the box is flipped. Before starting the build of this box, I used Fusion 360 to fine-tune and visualize the design. I made a series of videos to show how to design this box in Fusion. Okay, enough talking, let's start a build. Step 1 is to make all the wood components of this box. First is to make two sides of the box from live edge walnut slab. Now I started to make the pieces for the box body, including the lid, front, bottom, and back. Because of the continuous grain feature, all four pieces were cut out from one single panel. This panel was glued up with walnut, maple, and zebrawood strips. Step 2 is to make joineries. I used miter to connect the four pieces of the box body and used a spline to strengthen the miter between front, bottom, and back piece. For the box lid, I used 3 barrel hinges. To connect box body to the 2 sides, I used loose tenon joint. Use the router table to cut mortise on body pieces. Use bandsaw to cut loose tenon. And then transfer the positions to side pieces. The mortises on side pieces were cut by trim router with a simple jig. Step 3 is to apply finish and assemble the box. I applied finish before final glue up, cause it's a little bit easier to apply and achieve a cleaner surface. For finish, I used 2 coats of Rubio Monocoat Pure 2C. This is a great finish, especially on walnut. I have another video about applying Rubio Monocoat, and I put the link of that video in the description below. Final assembly is straightforward. I put most of the glue on loose tenons and try to minimize the squeeze out. Last step is to make the leather strip. This is my first leather work, so please pardon me for the unskilled movements, and please do let me know for anything I can improve. This is the final outcome of this project. If you like this video, please help to sum up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.